Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make rice using a rice cooker. Add 1 cup rice and 25 cups water for medium grain rice, then close the lid and press cook. Avoid opening during cooking to keep steam inside. When the cooker clicks to warm, let rice rest covered for 10 minutes to finish steaming. Fluff gently with a fork or paddle before serving for light, separated grains. Pick the rice that matches your meal. Short grain for sushi style, medium grain for sticky sides, and long grain for fluffy pilaf. Brown rice needs more water and time, so follow its specific ratio and allow extra rest time. Use the same cup to measure rice and water to avoid surprises. If you prefer firmer rice, reduce water slightly by 1 to 2 tablespoons per cup. Rinse rice in a fine mesh sieve until the water runs mostly clear to remove excess starch and prevent clumping. Drain thoroughly before adding water measured to the cooker or cup ratio. Start the cooker and avoid lifting the lid while it cooks, which releases steam and alters texture. After the cycle ends, leave rice covered for 10 minutes to settle, then fluff gently so grains separate without crushing them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.